Good afternoon, everyone. Jim Roy here with LuxManor Real Estate. In a previous video, we showed you how to winterize an external faucet or hose bib. There's a link to that in the description. Now that the weather has warmed up and we want to make use of our outside faucets, the first thing I'll do is make sure that if I have a bleeder valve, it's fully closed. If it's open, water will spray out of it when I open the shutoff valve. In this case, my faucet is below my shutoff valve, so I do not need a bleeder valve right here. I start by turning the valve parallel to the pipe. In some cases, you may need to turn a knob counterclockwise. I then go outside and open the faucet. If I find that it's open from the previous season, I close it. I then check for leaks outside. I go back inside and check one more time for leaks. If I see any outside, I can shut it off here. If I see any here, I can shut it off at the main water shutoff valve, then call a plumber. I recommend checking back a few hours later just to make sure that there's no small leak occurring that was not perceptible when you first turned it on. Contact a LuxManor realtor the next time you're ready to buy or sell a home.